students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some questions from pair of linear equations in two variables. Are you ready? Let us start. Equations of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to d3. Okay, to solve the above types of equations, the following algorithm may be used. Okay, algorithm step 1, take any one of the three equations. Take any one of the three equations. Then step 2, obtain the values of one of the variables say z from it. Then step 3, substitute the value of z obtained in step 2 in the remaining two equations to obtain linear equations in x and y. Then fourth, solve the equations in x and y obtained in step 3 by elimination method. Step 5, substitute the values of x, y obtained in step 4 and step 2 to get the value of z. Okay, our question is this: solve 2x minus y is equal to 4, y minus z is equal to 6, x minus z is equal to 10. These equations are in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to d1. a1x means that is 2x plus minus y plus c1. c1 is 0 there. So 2x minus y is equal to 4. d1 is equal to 4. a2x here a2 means that is 0. So 0x plus y minus z is equal to 6. a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to d3. Here b3 is equal to 0. So x minus z is equal to 10. First step, take any one of the three equations. Okay, this is the equation number 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. So first we should take equation 3. From equation 3, x minus z is equal to 10, then minus z is equal to 10 minus x, therefore z is equal to x minus 10. Okay, take any one of the three equations, obtain the value of one of the variables say z from it. So z is equal to x minus 10. From the equation 3, x minus z is equal to 10, minus z is equal to 10 minus x, so z is equal to x minus 10. Then substituting the value of z obtained in step 2 in the remaining two equations to obtain linear equations in x and y. Then we substitute this z is equal to x minus 10 in equation 2. Then we will get an equation in x and y. Okay, then we can substitute the value z is equal to x minus 10 in equation 2. Equation 2 we get y minus z, that is x minus 10, that is equal to 6. So y minus x plus 10 is equal to 6. So y minus x is equal to 6 minus 10 means that is minus 4. Okay, so that means minus x plus y, that is equal to minus 4. This is the equation number 4 and this is the equation number 5. Then next step, solve the equations in xy obtained in step 3 by elimination method. Then we should take the equation first, that is 2x minus y is equal to 4. That is the equation number 1. We can solve this equation by using elimination method. Here the coefficient of y in these two equations are same, so we can add these two equations. Minus x plus 2x means that is x, plus y minus y means that is 0. Then we will get minus 4 plus 4 means 0. So x is equal to 0. Then we can substitute the value of x in any of these equation. Minus x means 0 plus y is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4. Okay. Then substitute the value of xy obtained in step 4 and step 2 to get the value of z. Then we substitute the value in step 2. Then we will get z. Okay. Y is equal to negative 4. Then y is substituting. In equation 2, y minus z is equal to 6. Y means that is minus 4. Minus z is equal to 6. Therefore, minus z is equal to 10. Therefore, z is equal to minus 10. Okay. So, the solution of the given system of equation is x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4 and z is equal to minus 10. Okay. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4, z is equal to minus 10. Understood? Okay, then I will give one sum as homework. Solve x plus 2y plus z is equal to 7, x plus 3z is equal to 11, 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. This is your homework. Okay guys, do this sum clearly. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Until then, bye bye.